Okay, well, I thought I should probably make a video for you guys. So Friday's class probably not going to happen. My in-laws came in contact with somebody that had COVID, and so Dave and I are kind of laying low because we've had contact with my in-laws. We're worried, about spreading COVID, so we're waiting to see what their results for their test will be before we can kind of feel good about coming back out into public. So, with that being said, the WordPress portfolio websites are supposed to be due November 20th, which is next Friday, I believe. So just keep that in mind. Week 10 has those videos. Hopefully you made it through all of these videos in week 10 already up to this point. And then I will create more videos. I was going to just live demo in class Friday, but now with this happening, I'm going to have to create some videos, which I will put in week 11. So just be checking week 11 for more videos to follow along to. I should know by Monday next week, potentially tomorrow even, what the test results are from Dave's parents. And then we'll know if it's safe to venture out, basically. I did call the health department because I was like, can I just get tested? And they basically were just like, no, you just need to wait and see what the test results are on your in-laws. So unfortunately, I just have to kind of wait it out. Anyway, so check week 11. I'll have some videos in here. I'm going to work on that, early in the morning, try and get something up for you guys to do Friday, and then work on the videos over the weekend and have them basically completed hopefully by Monday at 11:30 p.m. Is what I'm thinking. So the videos in week 11, have them completed by this coming Monday, and then we'll just kind of move forward from there. There's not much I can do about this right now. So we'll just try to, if we can get through this WordPress portfolio website, we'll be doing good. And then, we might even potentially have time to do like a Wix website or something. And if not, we'll definitely do another project, but we'll see how this goes, because so I'll put an announcement in here, and just remember week 11 videos by Monday next week. All right, have a good weekend, you guys. Talk to you later.